If you'd like to see more recipes like my enchiladas that I'm making today, please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section below. The recipes are in the description along with my social media links. Thank you for watching. Here is what you're going to be needing for the enchiladas. Flour tortillas, ground beef, medium red enchilada sauce, mild red enchilada sauce, 1 onion chopped, 3 packs of taco mix, whatever brand you like, and 4 Mexican cheese. No sponsors for any products mentioned or used. First thing I'll be doing is browning my meat with onions. So you gotta break it up and get it all mixed in. I used 3/4 of that onion. I kept a little bit so I could actually put it inside of it when I stuffed the enchiladas. That's if you want to do that. You don't have to add extra onion unless you want to. Now I'll brown it. I'm cooking the meat and breaking it up. You can see it's cooking good. And after it's done browning, you drain it to get all the grease out there because you don't want greasy enchiladas. While you're waiting for this to get done, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now that it's done browning, I will drain it. Add 2 whole packs of this taco mix, and we're going to add a little bit of another one because I have more than 2 pounds of meat here. That's the reason why I got the 3rd pack, because I won't put all 3 packs in, but I'll do a half a pack. I want to make sure it's plenty of seasoning in it. We're going to start with 1½ cups of water. We're going to have to add a little bit more because I added almost a third pack to it. So I added 1 3/4 water. Now I get to mix it up. Since we have 2 different heat levels to the red sauce, I'm combining both of them into the bowl. That way you have a mixture of the mild and the medium. We'll just mix these together because that'll be going over the enchiladas. First thing you're going to do is put some meat in the center. And we got to cheese it up. I'll make sure they have plenty of meat in the center. And then put some cheese on it. We're going to have some more cheese on top of it too. And now I'm going to put some onions in mine because I do like onions. As you can tell for how many I added inside, I want a few raw ones on the inside. If you don't like raw onions, you can skip it. You can put anything in here you like. Then we're going to roll it around and we're going to put it in our baking dish. Now we're going to transfer it to the baking dish, seam side down. Oh, don't worry about the filling because we're going to put that in it too. We're not going to forget the filling. We don't want to leave any filling behind. There we go. That's how you do it. And I'll show you how to put the cheese and the red sauce on it after I'm done putting it in a baking dish. Now that I have 3 of them done, you have to pour the red sauce over it. And I like it all over. I got enough to do 3. I got more red sauce. All I gotta do is get it out of the bowl and pour it in the measuring cup. I made sure I had enough red sauce because I like it red sauce. Now, since we did the red sauce, now we're going to pour on the cheese. I buried this sucker under cheese. I did 3 because it's easier to get out of the pan. But you can always do as many as you like. But since it's just me, I'm just doing 3. That way I have more cheese. Can you tell by my last video about the mac and cheese? I like cheese. When I say I bury it, I bury it. I'm making sure that you can't find them. I'm not wasting all that cheese. No way. Hardtack on the plate. I have some more meat mixture that I can use for next time. I'll freeze it. There we go. And now all we got to do is bake it until the cheese melts. Now I put it in the oven. Now all you're going to do is melt the cheese about 10-15 minutes. This is what it looks like done. This is what it looks like plated up. Perfect for Cinco de Mayo. Thank you for watching.